So I'm in a housing estate near Stourbridge. First time actually vlogging today. I was only going to stay around like local area because of like because I was thinking that it's just going to rain, so I wasn't going to go too far. And it was just stupidly busy, and I was just like, do you know, right, I want to get some mileage in, let's just go to the canal. So I ended up just doing a little bit around Westvale, dropped down to the canal. So now I'm just going to cycle around here, which I've been here before, only like once or so, then go back along where I came, back along the canal, and then maybe potentially go to Elland to be still on the canal. I don't actually know how much mileage I've done. Let's have a look. I've done 3 miles. I'll just quickly check and come back. Back again. 4.5 miles I've done. I'm a bit worried as well because my coat's all mucky and I've not got much battery left on my watch. So this might be the case, like wherever I get to, if it's like a really low percentage, which is like the last time I looked it was 26%. If it gets to like really low, like to 5%, then I'm just going to stop it and then just carry on wherever I'm at, because I need to charge it when I definitely need to charge it when I get home. Apart from that, yeah, going to carry on biking. It was only a couple of weeks ago that I came down that path and went that way, which goes under the bridge back to the canal. I can't go this way because, well, I'll just position myself a bit better because I'm on my bike and I would be doing some contortionist trick, which I can't do. Private road, no motors, cycles, which is what I'm on, or horses. I am definitely not going up there. That would be suicide. With it being raining, and the amount of leaves there, and how much of a pain that was to walk down, I'm not doing it. Not a clue. So I'm practically just going to turn around on my bike. I'm going to go back that way, back under the bridge, and there was a road that goes right, which I'm going to see where that goes. Yeah, do a bit of exploring. Gonna see what's down here. So as I said, I was there. I was on the opposite side of that bridge, opposite side there. Went through the bridge. I went through it anyway. I went through that bit. Came off that bit. Gonna see what's this way, because I'm curious to know. I wouldn't ever walk it, but biking it, need to see what's there, because I'm nosy and I want to know. Plus, it's nice to go on the bike and explore. So I would advise anyone that's gonna aim or want to go down there, don't, because I've just ripped my cycled shorts quite largely. Basically, the pathway it does turn to a path, and it just turns to a super narrow path where it's so narrow, and you get to the end and it's just a sheer drop to a river, so it's just a dead end. So I turned back and walked the other way to come back, and I fell and my shorts got caught in the barbed wire. Jesus. So I advise anyone, if you want to cycle down there, for the love of God, don't. Trust me. Just don't. I'm curious to know when this is going to get removed, because it's the 29th of November and this Saturday is December. Well, the start of December anyway. 3rd of November, so it's long gone. The council may very well be putting it there for next year, so they don't have to move it for the entire year. They won't do that, would they? Actually, it's Coldsdale Council, so yes they would. They'd probably just leave it there. Do you know, I didn't want to jinx it before I said it. And I should just shut my mouth. Because I always say to myself, oh, it's always nice to have this field on my own. And I never do. There's always some person that's on the field, like just walking around on their own. Why? I want the field to myself. I can never do it. It cannot be done. Never do I get this field on my own. Ever. So I'm literally just going to walk around the field and I'm shutting my eyes because it's sunny. That's right, it's sunny. Like, we had 7 days in a row of overcast weather, and then it was sunny, and then we had dark clouds and depressing weather and such. It was just awful. I can't even see right now. But yeah, this morning it was so overcast and rainy and very, very windy. And then I got back home from a bike ride and it just absolutely slashed it down. Which was just good timing. Still a little bit windy, but blue skies. That's surprising to see. It's really surprising. Like what? Like it's not raining, it's not doing anything, it's just blue sky. It's nice. It's nice. It's nice to be also off today and tomorrow as well. And on Saturday I'm going to go into work with my Christmas t-shirt, which is the most unlike Christmas t-shirt ever. But it's more gothic and scary and Halloween-like than Christmas-like. But I had a conversation yesterday with my top boss, and was basically saying if it's got like a Christmas hat on it, then it'd be fine. I was like, okay. Like, if I'm going to work on Saturday and they're like, that's not Christmas Day, I said, well, my top manager said I could. I was like, okay. Hey, do you know what? It'd be surprising at what reactions it gets. Good, hopefully. I don't think it'll get any bad reactions. Maybe, I don't know. I'm curious to know. I'll have to find out on Saturday. Well, that got really strong. I couldn't even talk. You would have had well no chance of hearing me. That's what it was like earlier. In fact, I think it was worse earlier. And I was biking in it. Do you know what now? I can say it now. Now I've got the field to myself. Now I've got it to myself. Because that person that was up there has gone. Now I have a single field. I have the rec park to myself. Which is quite strange. Because whenever I'm like, oh, I actually have it to myself, there's either someone coming up there or someone coming off elsewhere, etc. It's kind of nice. And also it's kind of nice as well that it's sunny weather. Most of the point, I'm pretty blind because the sun's out. Because of the last few days, we've had no sun. It's been hidden away. And then being able to like vlog. But what I can do is, oh, is this a good idea? Going into the bits where it's shaded. Not really. I can fucking see now though. Yeah, it was just because it's a shade in the shade. It was slightly muckier. That's the problem we've had these last few weeks. It's just not stopped raining. We've had no nice weather at all. Like for like 2 weeks straight it's just rained. And we've had such mucky areas. So like no matter what the weather's been like, my dogs have to be tried when I get home. Or when I do get home. Because it's been such shit weather. So it's in double digits as well, the temperatures as well. Let me get that bit of white off. Oh, it's nice to have the field to myself before I go home and then someone else can have it. It's nice. I feel like the only way I can see is by squinting. And when it's so sunny,